Hello, family and friends. I'm reaching out to request your support of our fundraising effort to continue the restoration of Epps-McGill Farmhouse, a historic home that is part of my family's legacy in Kingstree, South Carolina. I serve as a member of the board of directors, and we previously raised $230,000, which covered the replacement of the roof and its support structures earlier this month. Today, we launched a campaign to continue the restoration, to stabilize the foundation, repair interior woodwork, plaster, and other parts of the farmhouse. I'm asking you as part of my network to support this campaign in any way that you are able to. My personal goal is to raise $4,500. Any donation you make will get us closer to the complete restoration and preservation of Epps-McGill Farmhouse. Please visit epps-mcgillfarmhouse.org. I appreciate you taking the time to consider supporting Epps-McGill Farmhouse and continuing our family's legacy in Williamsburg County, South Carolina. Thank you.